To get started using the synthesis exporter, you're going to want to navigate to our website and head to our downloads page. Here you can download the latest Fusion add-in as well as access a written version of the installation instructions. Once you've downloaded the add-in, go ahead and paste the following file location in your file explorer. This will take you directly to the add-ins folder for you to then drag and drop our add-in into. It's worth noting that this location may not be the same on your machine, and if you run into any issues, I would Google the location of the add-in folder for Fusion. If Synthesis doesn't automatically run the next time you start Fusion, navigate to the Utilities tab, open the Add-ins panel, press the green plus icon in the Add-ins tab, and locate the Synthesis add-in installation. Then you can click on the add-in and manually run it yourself. After starting the Synthesis Fusion add-in for the first time, it'll take a few moments to properly install all the dependencies. Once complete, you'll have to restart Fusion to make sure everything runs smoothly. However, this time around it should be able to start up rather fast with no issues. This initial installation step for the add-in can be rather tricky, so if you run into any issues, feel free to send a message on our Discord. Once the Synthesis add-in is running properly on Fusion, you can then access a number of configuration options for your robot. The first one, export mode, is the difference between whether or not you're exporting a robot or a field. You can also choose the upload type, whether or not you want to download it locally or upload it to your APS account. And you can log into APS with the middle icon as well as a number of other configurations for automatically calculating the weight, specifying it as a part rather than a full assembly, and more. If you need any more help installing the Synthesis add-in or using it or anything, feel free to go and check our description for links to either our website or our Discord to get in touch with our developers. Thank you.